In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table of contents in Google Sites. If you're building a longer page in Google Sites, adding a table of contents is a simple way to make your content easier to navigate. It helps visitors jump to different sections quickly, which is especially useful for guides, documentation pages, class materials, or in-page with multiple headings. The good news is that Google Sites makes this very easy to add. To get started, go to your site in Google Sites and open the page where you want the table of contents to appear. Make sure you're in edit mode so you can make changes to the layout. Once you're on the correct page, take a quick look at your content and think about where the table of contents will be most useful. In many cases, placing it near the top of the page works best because visitors can sense the page structure right away and use it to jump to the section they need. After that, move over to the panel on the right side of the screen. This is where Google Sites gives you different content elements you can insert into the page, such as text boxes, images, and other layout tools. In that right-hand panel, click on Table of Contents. As soon as you select it, Google Sites will insert a table of contents onto your page. This feature typically pulls from the headings already used in your content, so it works best when your page is organized with clear section titles. If your table of contents doesn't seem to show much yet, you may want to confirm that your page content includes proper headings, since those are what the table of contents uses to build the navigation list. You can then position the table of contents wherever it fits best in your page layout. For example, you might keep it at the top for a traditional look, or place it along the side if that works better with your design. The main goal is to make it easy for readers to spot and use, and that's all it takes to create a table of contents in Google Sites. It's a small addition, but it can make a big difference in how organized and user-friendly your page feels. If you're working on content that includes several sections, this is definitely a feature worth using to improve navigation and create a better experience for your visitors.